So basically, the essence of assembly line balancing is just to reduce the number of idle time or the amount of idle time in a particular assembly line. Assembly line balancing. What do we mean by this? It is a technique that seeks to distribute tasks to different workstations in a way that the idle time on the assembly line is reduced. So now what do we mean by an assembly line? An assembly line is an assembling of a process which are linked together by material handling equipment. Manufacturing companies mostly utilize assembly line system. In companies where they produce things like toys, appliances, basically products that have multiple parts, you don't expect humans to assemble thousands of those products. So then they just utilize an assembly line system in which there are material handling equipment linked together in a uniform time.
Click the link below, download the Sensei app right now.